Hi, I'm Michelle from the Automotive Training Centre. Please join us in conversation.
Well, I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds. It's such a pleasure to be here at the Automotive Training Centre, right here in Surrey, British Columbia, talking to folks who like getting their hands in, getting them messy, getting them dirty, fixing things. This college understands the importance of focused education, ensuring that their students, when they graduate, get jobs right away. That's the key to the regulated college system. They understand that. They add to our economy in that way. It's wonderful to be in conversation with these folks. So on that note, why don't you introduce yourself and tell us where you are in the program.
Hi, my name is Josue Cisneros. Right now, we just finished working on cooling systems, and it was actually quite an interesting project. I learned so much from it, and yeah.
Talk to me about your journey before you came to this program. What were you involved in before, and cars and things like that? Talk to me about that.
Well, for me, I've been working with cars my whole life. My dad actually finished at this school.
Oh, wow.
And he's now a Red Seal mechanic. He's been at it for many years. I've gone on many jobs with him. So I have quite the experience. I just need to get the paperwork done.
Yeah. So Dad is an alumni. Dad came through the school.
Yeah.
And you've been working with Dad on cars ever since.
Yeah.
What was it about cars that you like? Tell me about it.
I like making it work, putting things back together, figuring out the different models and vehicles, and yeah, it's always different.
Is it always different, or is there a big difference between all the vehicles?
Well, with the vehicles that are the same brand, they're pretty similar, but when it comes to changing the brands, like for example, I just bought myself an Audi, and that's a bit more complicated because it's a German car. So it's going to be a fun little project.
Is that right?
Yes.
Talk to me about the project. What's got to be done with this Audi? What kind of Audi is it first?
It's an Audi A4 Quattro.
Nice.
Convertible, V6, 3.0 liter.
Wow.
And what's wrong with it is my reverse lights don't work, so either I got to check the fuses or it could be the electrical, so I'll have to check the currents on each wire to make sure, there's power going through.
Yeah.
And then my rear right rotor, there's no brake pad, so it's been hitting metal on metal, so it's no good right now. It's not drivable. I'll have to take off the caliper bolts and everything, remove the caliper, and replace the rotors, put on some new brake pads.
And you feel cool with all that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
You can do all that?
Oh yeah.
And you can bring your car in here, right, to work on it?
Yes.
As a student?
Yes.
That's a bonus.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it works out.
Yeah, good. Tell me about the instructors that you have now and their level of experience.
The instructors, they're amazing. They're really good. I'm picking up a lot, and in their lectures, they get really into detail about each component and all the different stuff that's going on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a feeling it's kind of a fun place to be. I've met a lot of your classmates. Everybody seems to be quite happy and enjoying what they're doing. Am I right in that feeling?
Oh yeah. We have a good time working together. Yeah.
So you're about what, 3 or 4 months back from graduation? What do you?
I just started on March 10th.
Okay. So ways to go yet. What's your ultimate job look like when you graduate?
I'd like to work in a shop.
Yeah.
An all-purpose shop, so work on anything.
Right.
And eventually open up my own shop.
Wow.
Yeah, I've already started collecting tools, and I got quite the collection going on in my garage. So
yeah. So you're on your path to your own shop.
Yes.
Good for you. It's been an absolute pleasure to be in conversation with you. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us. To learn more, go to automotivetrainingcentre.com.